Hello and welcome, my lovely psychology students. Here we're doing a quick exam skill session, and I'm calling it 60-second tutorial. So let me get my timer going, and I'm going to start. We're going to do this in 60 seconds, so it's not going to take much of your time, and hopefully it's going to help you. So let's get started. In your exam questions, and these 3 questions should look very familiar to you. What is the likelihood of the psychologists have made a type 1 error in this study? Explain your answer. Explain one advantage of using a repeated measure design in this study. Psychologists could have used self-reported questionnaires to assess a participant instead of using interviews with the therapist. Explain one advantage and one disadvantage of using self-report questionnaires in this study rather than interviews. So 3 questions. My key question to you: one thing that they all have in common. If you need to pause the video now, go back and look at those questions. Pause it now. We've got 18 seconds to go. What do they all have in common? The words "in this study." So what do we mean by "in this study"? Really important. What does it mean? It means there's going to be an element of AO2 of which you need to do application. There we go. We've done it in 60 seconds. The alarm's going off. When it says "in this study," what does it mean? It means that one of the assessment objectives within that question is going to be application. You have to apply it to the study, or to the study they're talking about in the STEM. No application, you're either going to lose all or some of the marks. Don't forget that. Make sure you take the time to read and understand the question. I've done two other exam skills videos on understanding the question and deconstructing the question. Get those skills up to date, because in your last assessment, a lot of you threw marks away because you didn't pick up on the words "in this study." Go back, watch those videos on deconstructing the question or understanding the question, and practice those skills. Till next time, bye.